hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about my new skates, guys. I finally got them in the mail. I was so excited, y'all. I looked all over the place, you guys, for new skates. The reason why I did get new skates is because the ones that I had were really heavy. Like the boot was really heavy, so I wanted to find something more on a lightweight level. They let me know that these are lightweight, and they're actually also, you guys, 3 wheels. You know, I always skate with 4 wheels. It's gonna be my first time getting 3 wheels. I was super excited to find them because I try to find skates. I went to Dick's, I went to Hibbett Sports, I went to Academy Sports. I went to so many different, I went to Play It Again, I went to Rio, I went to a lot of different places, sporting goods. No one had inline skates. It's crazy. They were all for like little kids. So they never had adults. So what I did was I got online. Everybody was coming up in another country, the UK. So what I decided was I was going to get something from the UK, but I felt more comfortable getting it from the UK through Amazon. So this came through Amazon. I was so excited when I seen this box. You know what this box is. This shipping, you guys, was $63. Again, like I said, this is international. I was so scared because, like, for a long time, you know how you go into the Amazon order and it say where it is, where's it located. It never did say anything. So I was like, oh my God, I hope they really ship it. Because when I went back in to get these, to put these size 8s in, it said about a month or 3 months to be able to be shipped. So I was so nervous. But I got a DHL text letting me know that it was going to be here on the 16th. They said it was going to be here on the 17th. So I did get it a little sooner. I was so excited when I seen them come out. Anytime you get anything international, this comes from DHL. So you will have to sign for a signature. Just wanted to tell you guys all that information real quick. So let's go in and see what we got. I was a little nervous too, y'all, because they were kept on saying, like, if you get things from the UK, you got to make sure that the sizing is the same as the US. So I'm hoping, because guys, that $65 shipping was really costly, and I'm not trying to send it back. Okay, so this is what we got inside of here. It's a nice big box. Here is the actual box, the Fila box right here. Can you see that? The Fila box. Let's put this up top. So I got mine. It's a Amazon UK. So you guys, I am super excited that these came from the UK, which I know things come from China and different things like that, but I'm just super excited that I got me a pair of skates. They are the Fila Primo 100 lady woman's Fila Prima inline skates. It say black and purple. That is what this says on here. So let's see, guys. This is the box. And like I said, I was really nervous about the sizing. Because, you know, like I said, guys, I got this from the UK. Like, you got to send it back, and shipping things back can be shipply when you're doing it from another country. Okay, so let's see what we got in this box. I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, so again, it's a Prima 100. The wheels are 100. I'm so scared, y'all. I am so scared. And it's a US L10. God, I hope these ain't too big, y'all. Let's look at them. Okay, this is how they look. They are really, really pretty. Really pretty. And I'm going to show you guys more too, like, so you can see it more in a light. These are what they looking like. Very lightweight. It says 100. You got the 3-wheel motion, movable and everything. I got the brake on it because I had to get me a brake. So let me go ahead and open these up and see how they fit, okay? Okay, guys, and it comes with a little Fila packaging. So far, so good, y'all. One good thing is they are not too small, because I was afraid that they was going to be too small. If they too big, I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't want them to be too big, but I'd rather for them to be too big or too small. So I'm going to strap them both up, ride around a little bit, and I'll come back and let you guys know how they are. guys, let's see how they are. Yeah. When I say I love them, I love them. I was skating him a little go in the living room. And when I say they are easy to skate on, I was so scared with the having 3. They would be hard. So if you want to try something new, guys, try it. Like I said, I have been rollerblading for a really long time when I was young, but I stopped, started back again, seen these, and knew I had to have them. So just want to show you guys. Stay tuned to videos on them. I am about to do my weight loss journey. I'm so excited. Let me know, you guys, if you are taking up a new hobby, and if it is, what is it? You guys take care, be blessed, and I'll chat with you guys later. Well worth the money. Bye.